Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a line curve inside your Figma. It's quite simple and easy. Before that, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Let's get right into the video. So for example, you choose a line and you just place it here, but then it doesn't curve. You don't know how to curve it. You can't do anything related to it. You can just, turn it around, but you want it to curve. How are you going to do that? It's quite simple and easy. Yeah, I already said that, right? So what you have to do is, instead of taking a line, take a pen. Now it doesn't mean you can just draw it randomly. When you draw a pen, you can do that. Now once you do that, you're here. Now it's an official line. Now what you can do is you can choose the curve however you want it to be. Now I'll just gonna select it here. Now it comes out like that. Now I'll just press on done. As you can see, this is a line, but this is a curved line. It's really that simple. Thank you for watching. And actually you can even do that. Like you can make changes to it also. So I'll show that in another video, not now. So thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe.